Here's how to register the Barclays mobile banking app on a new device. First, open the Barclays app and tap Get Started. Make sure you have what you need, then tap Continue. Next, create a 5-digit passcode. Enter it, confirm it, and make sure it's secure and easy for you to remember. Now choose how you want to register. You can register using PINsentry or with an activation code from a branch. If you choose PINsentry, enter your mobile number, sort code, account number, and full name. Review your details, accept the terms, and submit. You'll then receive a 6-digit text code. Enter it in the app to link your phone. After that, verify your account using your PINsentry device. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and generate the code shown in the app. Enter the code to confirm. If you're using an activation code instead, enter the 8-digit code. Confirm your mobile number and verify using the text message code. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Continue, and you're ready to start using the Barclays app on your new device.